Let's talk about the structure of heart. It is mainly of in superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The heart also has the right and left atria and ventricles. The superior vena cava and inferior vena cava receives blood from body parts. The blood goes from atria to ventricles on both sides, left and right. The superior vena cava receives blood from the upper part of body. The right atria has tricuspid valve, whereas the left atria has bicuspid valve. The bicuspid valve of the left atria, also known as the mitral valve. About the layers of heart. Layers of heart is divided into three parts. The first one is endocardium, myocardium, and pericardium. Here the pericardium is of three types: visceral, parietal, and fibrous pericardium. A pericardial fluid is filled between visceral and pericardium. The visceral layer of parietal pericardium, also called epicardium. Fibrous pericardium is made up of connective tissue which prevent the heart to expanding too much. Pericardial fluid is a type of serous fluid which reduces friction and allow the heart to beat smoothly and also provide lubrication for it. Generally, the tissue found in heart is cardiac tissue having striations, multinucleated conditions, no fatigue, and high supply of blood. As we know earlier in the previous video, the blood is provided or taken by the muscle of heart through coronary artery or veins. Here is a neat question: that's why cardiac tissue have no fatigue but skeleton tissue has. So the answer is that this tissue has a mechanism to convert lactic acid into glucose, which is also known by smooth muscles. So now let's talk about some deep things about it, that how lactic acid is formed. So due to the less supply of oxygen to the tissue start forming lactic acid, whereas in the presence of proper oxygen, lactic acid is not formed. Hence, there is no fatigue. Heart has a proper oxygen to maintain its mechanism and have a mechanism also to convert lactic acid into glucose.